Let me give you one really useful tip for Excel if you're editing formulas. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. I have a fairly simple Excel spreadsheet created for you. And of course, when you're talking about formulas, hopefully you are using cell addresses in the formulas instead of fixed numbers. And you may be wondering, where was this? How did it get to that number? But here's the tip. Click at the top. So click in the formula bar at the top of the screen, and you will see that your cell addresses are color coded. They actually get changed into a specific color, and then the cell that actually relates to has the same color border around it. So let me try that again on another cell. Let's do one where there's two cells, and if I just click, I'm not actually making any changes, I can easily see the two cells that make up this formula to give me the answer, and both are color coded. So really useful, quick and easy tip that you can use on any formula throughout your spreadsheet. Simply select the cell and click in the formula bar for the cell addresses to be color coded within the formula and matching highlight on the screen. If you like this tip, then please do give the video a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be told as more actionable tips are released.